In today's video, I'll show you how to download voice models in ElevenLabs so you can use your favorite AI voices across different projects with ease. If you're new to voice models, think of them as saved voice setups that you can reuse anytime without rebuilding everything from scratch. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and go to the Voice Library or Voice Management section. This is where all your available voices and custom voices are stored. Next, locate the voice model you want to download. This could be a default voice or a custom voice you previously created or cloned. Now open the voice settings or options menu for that specific voice. Depending on your account and permissions, you may see a download or export option available. If the download option is available, click it and choose the format or destination where you want to save the voice model file. Then confirm the download. Once the file is downloaded, store it safely on your device so you can reuse it later or import it into supported tools or workflows. If you don't see a direct download option, it usually means the voice is stored in your account and can be accessed anytime by simply logging in and selecting it again. After that, you can test the voice anytime by going back to text-to-speech and generating a sample using the saved model. Organizing your voice models by name or project type can make it much easier to manage multiple voices as your work grows. And that's how you download voice models in ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.